Hello people, let's see today Yamaha FZ S version 3 2021 model, its exhaust sound. So let's start the engine. So let's see the exhaust sound. I think you can feel this beat, right? Which you cannot see in 2020 model. So for 2021 model the beat got increased and you can feel it, right? So this is the smooth engine sound of Yamaha 2021 model version 3. Now let us see the exhaust sound of Yamaha FZ version 3 2020 model. Guys, you finally saw the difference between 2020 and 2021 model Yamaha FZ version 3 bikes.